Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. What do I have on tap for you today? I'm 150% excited about this one. I'm going to show you how to take $5 and make the cutest and also completely functional sconce or light. This project is so easy and inexpensive, and you end up with a functional piece of wall art that looks very high-end as far as I'm concerned. But you be the judge. Let's go ahead and get started. Your supply list for this project: from the Dollar Tree, you're going to need one galvanized planter, one oval wood piece, one pack of 4 extra small plastic bowls like you see here, one popsicle stick, one battery operated puck light, and also, but not necessarily from the Dollar Tree, you will need black crafting paint, paint brushes, your hot glue gun, some hot glue, and some Gorilla Glue. My original idea was to spray paint the galvanized portion of this planter in copper because I love a copper black combo. But the more I looked at it, the more I like it just the way it is. I did go ahead and paint over the twine with black paint. I didn't saturate it because I wanted some of the original color of the twine to show through. To me, it just gives it more character. I also painted the oval piece of wood black. That was easy enough. The part that wasn't so easy was painting the extra small plastic bowl, but that was because of the way I chose to paint it. I'm going to let you learn from my mistakes, and I'm going to tell you the easy way. If you take just a few minutes, grab some black spray paint and use that to paint the inside and outside of the little bowl, your life will be much easier than mine was. It took me forever to get this bowl painted because the paint didn't want to grab. It dried tacky and stayed tacky for a long time. On top of that, I had to paint layer after layer to get the bowl completely covered. So please take it from me and just take a tiny little bit of extra time and effort and use the spray paint. You'll thank me in the end, I promise. Start by using the Gorilla Glue around the rim of the plastic bowl. Once you attach it to the wood, if you see glue oozing out from under it, go ahead and clean that up. Once you are certain the little bowl has completely dried to the wood, go ahead and hot glue the small piece of popsicle stick that you painted, measured, cut down to size to fit in the bottom of the bowl, which, because of the way we have attached it to this wood, it's now the top of the bowl. The next step is to apply the planter so that it becomes the sconce part of the light. Just a precaution, I would suggest you do as I did here and apply not only hot glue, but also Gorilla Glue to the piece of popsicle stick. You don't want to hang this up and then have it fall to the floor. And unless you want to sit and hold the planter level until it dries, and you really don't, you're going to need to find something to place under it to keep it level. Now, I tried several different things until it finally dawned on me to grab another one of the little plastic bowls and slide it up under there to hold it in place. Duh. And I did let this dry overnight before I ever touched it again, just to be on the safe side. To hang this, I'm going to use a command hook, but you can hot glue a picture hanger on the back and hang it from a nail, or you can make a twine hanger on the back. Just whichever you decide. Now I'm going to use this as just wall decor, but to make it functional, put a few drops of hot glue on the sides of the puck light and drop it down inside the planter. I would show you, but I broke the cardinal rule of Dollar Tree shopping. I didn't buy the light the day I got my other supplies, and when I went back for it, it was gone, and they haven't had any since. And here is the finished project. I just love the way this turned out. I'm really proud of it. Now the wall where I want to hang this light isn't ready yet. That's another video, but you'll see it hanging up soon. I promise. I can't wait to show it to you. Well, thank you so much for sharing this project with me today. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And remember, be kind, be blessed, but most of all, be crafty.